Hare Krishna. So we're going to demonstrate some Lofa Tal beats. So Lofa Tal is also sometimes known as Doi Tal or two beats. And that's because of the karto beat. The way the karto beat is played is like, so it's like a two beat. So people will call it that, but the official name for it is Lofa Tal. And this beat is used in Damodarastakam and other Hare Krishna beats with that pattern. So it's 6 matra, or sometimes seen as 12 matra. So that's like 12 beats. So we'll go through a simple one. So we're gonna start with a very simple mantra, and then we're gonna progress to more complex. So 1, 2, 3. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna go to ha, gina, gina, tata, gina, ta, gina, gina, tata, kiki, na, na. One more time, and then we sing. Okay, now we're gonna go to the second beat. This beat, it goes like this. Dha, gege, dit, da, ge, dit, da. Dit, da, kiki, tege, da, ge, da, dit, da. One more time. Da, gege, dit, da, ge, dit, da. Dit, da. Namami Sharam Sachidananda So you'll notice one interesting thing about this beat is that on the small side, where you're playing that's exactly what the cardinals will be playing, or exactly what you're clapping. So this one is very easy if you have trouble finding the beat during Damodarastakam, or having trouble finding how to clap for this beat, then you can just follow the small side. So that makes it a little easier. The next beat, the third beat that we're going to do, is a bhajan style beat, and the mantra, it goes dha dene dene da da di na tak te 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 ta ta kiki na na dha. Dha dene dene da da di na te 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 ta ta kiki namam Vishwayam Sachidanandarupam Vasatundaram Gokule Rajamanam Yashodaviyadukaladavamamam Param Rishamadyantato Nrutyagopya Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Okay, and now the third one. This one is more common in Western countries. It's more common in America. I haven't seen it used as much in India, in Mayapur, but in America I've noticed a lot of people play this one. So the mantra, it goes dha di di da da dik di di da da dik di di da da di kiki na na da di di da da dik di di da da dik di da da kiki na ga da di di da da dik di di da da dik di di da da kiki namam Vishwayam Sachidanandarupam Vasatundaram you found this helpful. If you have any other requests for any other videos, please let us know. And if you have any questions about these beats, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions for future videos or improvements in our future videos, please let us know too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hare
Roll.
Krishna.